First reading, Sirach chapter 48 verse 1 to 4, 9 to 11. Then the prophet Elijah arose like a fire, his word flaring like a torch. It was he who brought famine on them and decimated them in his zeal. By the word of the Lord he shut up the heavens, 3 times also he brought down fire. How glorious you were in your miracles, Elijah! Has anyone reason to boast as you have? Taken up in the whirlwind of fire, in a chariot with fiery horses, designated in the prophecies of doom to allay God's wrath before the fury breaks, to turn the hearts of fathers towards their children, and to restore the tribes of Jacob. Blessed those who will see you, and those who have fallen asleep in love, for we too shall certainly have life. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 80 verse 2 to 3, 15 to 16, 18 to 19. Over Ephraim, Benjamin and Manasseh, rouse your valor and come to our help. God, bring us back, let your face shine on us and we shall be safe. Protect what your own hand has planted. They have thrown it on the fire like dung. The frown of your rebuke will destroy them. Never again will we turn away from you. Give us life and we will call upon your name. God, Sabaoth, bring us back. Let your face shine on us, and we shall be safe. Gospel, Matthew chapter 17 verse 10 to 13. And the disciples put this question to him, "Why then do the scribes say that Elijah must come first?" He replied, "Elijah is indeed coming, and he will set everything right again. However, I tell you that Elijah has come already, and they did not recognize him but treated him as they pleased, and the Son of Man will suffer similarly at their hands." Then the disciples understood that he was speaking of John the Baptist.